Red chili peppers, with their fiery kick, offer a surprising range of health benefits. Red chilies are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that boosts the immune system and aids wound healing. They also contain vitamin A, which is essential for healthy vision and skin. The active ingredient in red chilies, capsaicin, is known to increase metabolism and may help with weight management. Studies suggest capsaicin can increase feelings of fullness and reduce calorie intake. Capsaicin also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce pain and swelling associated with conditions like arthritis. Red chilies may improve blood circulation and potentially reduce the risk of heart disease. Some studies suggest red chilies may have antibacterial and antifungal properties. They may also play a role in lowering blood sugar levels and reducing the risk of certain cancers. It's important to consume them in moderation. Excessive intake can irritate the digestive system. If you have any underlying health conditions, consult your doctor before significantly increasing your chili intake.